Hi everyone, and thanks for watching CS Academy, worldwide educational platform for computer science, O-level, AS and A-levels, applied information communication technology as well. So now I'm going to present you the pre-release material for May in 2017 computer science, component code for 0478 for IGCSE and 2210 for GCSE. So now this time the pre-release is very technical and you will are required to complete the task in different ways. You will have to perform different analysis for different questions, and as far as the questions are concerned, first of all we have the task 1. We're going to take a look at task 1, so which is coming ahead, that is task 1. I'm putting A over here, task 1A. So where you are going to declare the variables. Basically this is the Python language I am using. So declaring the variables, first of all declaring variables. So now basically Python does not mention any specific data type. You have to understand that this is the data type for this purpose, and as for example if you are going to use integer, so the integer word as you see is used in Java, VB.NET and some other languages, that it comes and correspond to the data type or variables declared with the data types. So now here this is this environment is not like that environment which you are familiar enough, and this is basically being used, so that's why. So Python. So now coming to the declaration phase, that is we have different variables here being declared. The first one is the I'm just writing the head, so you will understand that okay, this is a kind of this which variable. Integer variables. Okay, so now what are the integer variables? First of all I'm just going to declare, let's suppose count equals to 0. This count is for the counter, and then you have pupil equals to 0. This will be used to input the values, and minimum senior citizens 10, then maximum senior citizens equals to 36, and then you have people, 24 people and 12 people. People for 12 equals to 0, and then people for 24 equals to 0. I have separated these two variables for holding the range of citizens which are equals to 10 and with the other additions. So you will see that in a later phases that how these two variables will be used. And I have again another thing, that is char 1 equals to 2 and char 2 equals to 3. So now these are the integer variables which you have seen that okay, integer variables have been declared. So now coming to the other part, that is going to be the cost, and the cost of coach and the cost of meal and the cost of tickets, cinema tickets. So you will see that how these variables are arranged and which data types corresponds to these variables being declared. So coming on to the next part, that is declaring float variables. I'm using float for holding the values. As you can see, the cost of meal 1 equals to 14.00, then cost of meal 2 equals to $13.50, and then cost of meal 3 equals to 0.00. That is why it is declared as float variable. On the other hand, you can declare, it's up to you, you can declare if you want to take all those variables which have been declared as fractional with the fractional values, such as cost of the cinema ticket and then cost of the coach. So they're all the integer values that I'm again going to include cost of the coach here. Cost of coach 1 equals to 1. So now cost of coach, or you can say cost of coach 150, cost of coach 2 190, and then cost of coach 3 equals to 225. And now again I'm just going to correspond with the data types that, let's suppose this have been declared, and you will see that this is done over here. And now I'm just going to explain the next part of this. So the next thing is that I'm just going to declare here the cost of you can see that now you can see I'm just going to arrange cost of cinema ticket, cost of cinema ticket 1 $21, and I'm just removing the decimal values. I'm just taking this as integer. Cost of cinema ticket 2 $20, and cost of cinema ticket 3 equals to $19, right? So this is the data which you are going to use, and this will be asked accordingly. So you can see that how this data is going to be arranged. And as far as the Prerelease is concerned, you are well aware of using data types and the variables, that how these variables are used. You can see that. So this is the first part where you have to declare the meaningful variables for different manipulation of prices in this task 1. So in the next video you will see that the connection of these declared variables with the required contents of the Prerelease 2017 May-June session. So thanks for watching.